Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked thousands of IRS cases, thousands of them. I worked at IRS for a good decade. I was a teaching instructor. I am a national expert. Just look at my website at 777irs.com and you'll learn all about me. I worked as a revenue officer, so I collected taxes. I did a whole bunch of stuff, seized a lot of stuff. I know the IRS system inside and out. There are some really hidden risks. Just want you to know if you're not paying your tax return or filing your return. So I just want to go over those with you as an insider and tell you what happens if you don't file your tax return. So what IRS is starting to do when they had all these new hires, one of the things they realized there was a glut of people who did not file. They did not file their tax returns, a bunch of them. So what they're doing now, they're sending revenue officers out to pick up tax returns. And let me tell you how this is going to work in case this is you, so you know what to do and what to expect. IRS has been looking for you. If they send out letters, you may have got them. You may have not. Most people don't get the letters because they've moved. They haven't filed in a number of years, so IRS just sends them to the last known address. They don't hunt you down. That's all their requirement, ask you to do. So what IRS will do, IRS can pull your W-2s and 1099s for the last 6 years and just prepare your tax returns. If in fact if they have that information, they're just going to come out with a number based on your income with no expenses, married, filing, single, and now you're going to have a large tax debt. IRS is going to send notices out. If you don't respond, they're going to file a lien. They're going to take seizure action. They're going to at least send a bank levy out and a wage garnishment. That they're going to do because their computer systematically does that. That's just the way the system is programmed. Or what I'm seeing a recent wave of is the 725B letters. So when I was there, you'd knock on the door. This had just stopped, by the way, about 6 months ago. IRS would knock on the door, flash their commission. Hey, Sneed, sitting out. I need to talk to you. Need a financial statement. You haven't got your returns. So now what they're doing, they're bringing you in the local office and they're saying, hey, bring all your financial records in. We want to find out what's going on with your life. We need to go ahead and have you file back tax returns. So you don't want to get them in your office. They're going to want a financial statement. Maybe go over bank statements, what you've done, where you've been, and ask you a whole lot of questions, charge cards and all that. So it benefits you. Please listen. It benefits you to file your tax returns. You say, oh, but I'm scared what's going to happen. Well, you don't want IRS sending you a letter or preparing your returns. You're going to have to file them some point. Call us. There's a lot of people you can call if you got a simple return. You can go to H&R Block, whoever the hell you want to do. But if you're a Schedule C or you're a sole proprietor or a business, you lost your records or whatever, call us. That's what we do for a living, and we can settle your IRS debt as well. There's a whole system that you have. Whatever you do well. Whatever we do this very well. But remember, file your tax returns. You really need to do that. Thank you so much for listening. Give me a subscription if you would. I kind of tell you the inside secrets. Remember, one of them is you don't want that 725B letter. Not a good idea. Thank you very much. That subscription and a like is very helpful. Thank you.